Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy Tangeni once again. I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to give you an update on the account, on the challenge that I'm doing. I'm trying to turn 80 USD into 500 USD. So this is the challenge that I started. This is the challenge that I started this week, Monday. I started trading this account on Monday. Monday was actually when was it? So actually I started trading this account on Monday this week. So now I'm going to give you an update on all the trades that I took, whether it is losses or wins, guys. So I'm going to show you the reality of forex trading, guys. So I'm not going to lie, and I'm going to show you that the account that I'm trading is a live account, it's a real account, it's not a demo account. So I'm going to show you all the trades that I have taken from Monday up to this stage. So the next update will be coming out. So if you are new to this channel or you are an old subscriber, kindly like the video, share the video, drop a comment below. How was my trades? How do you judge my trades? So yeah, or you can drop any comments, man, any suggestion that you have. So guys, as I said in the beginning, I don't sell anything in the forex space. I don't do mentorship, I don't do account management, I don't sell forex courses, because I don't believe in all those nonsense. I know everybody can trade forex. You can learn how to trade forex for free, guys. All the free information is available on social media. You can get it for free, guys. You don't have to buy any forex courses, guys. Stop falling for all this nonsense that you see around these mentors that are trying to promote on these social media platforms. So guys, watch until the end so that I will be showing you the whole results, all the trades that I've taken in one picture. I will drop it at the end of this video. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified when I post a new update on this account or this challenge. So guys, join our free Telegram group. The link will be in the video description. I'll also drop it in the comment section, guys, so that you can just click on it and then you join for free. You don't have to pay anything. So guys, let's get into the video. Let's show you. Let's get into the video so that on the chart so that I can show you all the trades that I have taken. So bye guys. As you can see, we are on Euro USD now. The first trade that was taken, first trade was taken on the 5th of February around 15:30. That's around 15:30 there. I took a buy on Euro USD and it was a loss. It was actually a loss. As you can see here, that was a loss that I have taken on the 5th of February. That was the first trade that I have taken on Euro USD. It was a loss actually, as you can see here. So yeah, I think that was the only trade that I take on Euro USD. I've taken, let me say, was it 3 or 4 positions? It was 4 positions on Euro USD. That was 0.01. I will show you a screenshot somewhere there on the left or right. So that was the only trade that I've taken on the 5th of February. And then now let's go to okay, gold. We have taken a buy on gold. So okay, this was the buy. This was the buy on gold, guys. We were in profit. We were in profit, as you can see. And then now, instead of now, like, okay, this was a wrong trade for me because I've taken it. I've traded against the trend, and it was against my my trading plan, as you can see, because I always follow if there's a break of structure and then I follow the trend. Now here I was trading against the trend, which was a pullback, and then now I was in profit for few, let me say, for like 30 or 50 pips. It was like I was already in a profit of maybe I was up 2R. I was up 2R already, as you have seen. Now price just went and reversed at this order block or supply zone, which is above here. Let me just quickly show you on M50. As you can see, the trend is down, so I was trading against the trend, which is wrong, which is against my trading plan. So now, okay, later on price reversed, and then it took me out because I already taken some partials out. I've taken some profit out when I was up 1 or 2 hours. It's when I took profit, some of the profit out. Now the trades that I've left running, they went, price turned, and they hit my stop loss here. So now, okay, on M5. So on M5, as you can see here, okay, I was like, okay, now, okay, the buyers have came in. So I was like, okay, after seeing that, okay, now price broke out of this consolidation on M5, and then I took a buy here. I was like, okay, the buyers are in, so let me just take a buy. Then suddenly the price retraced. Price pulled back after seeing this big candlestick here. After seeing this big bearish candlestick, I was like, okay, let me just get out of the market when I was already in a loss. That is when I got out of this market. So I already took some partials here. I also show a screenshot somewhere there on the left or right. So those are the trades that I have taken on Monday. Because I only traded two pairs. It was Euro USD and it was a buy on Euro USD and a buy on gold. Those are the trades that I have taken on the 5th of February. Now let's go to the 6th of February. Now as you can see here, on the 6th of February, I was like, okay, price is already at this is back at our demand zone, our supply zone. I was like, okay, we already got a break of structure, as you can see. Now I was like, okay, after this, then I have entered our sell. It was just a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. And then after that, after a few minutes, we were in profit. Let me say at around 5:30. At 5:30, that is when price hit my stop loss. Then there, that was it for the day. That was it for the day on the 6th of February. That was not it for the day. I actually took another trade. I actually took another trade on was it on GBP? Yeah, I think it was on GBPJPY. It was on GBPJPY. So now let's go to GBPJPY on the 6th, or the trade that I've taken on the 6th. Okay, these are the trades that I've taken. So now let's go to GBPJPY. Okay, GBPJPY on the 6th of February, I took one trade. It was a sell. It was a sell that I took on GBPJPY. So I was like, okay, price was already here. Is a change of character that we got already. So as you've seen there on the left, we broke structure. Now it means that we are in a downtrend. So I was like, okay, after price pullback, because this was a short-term pullback, and then I was like, okay, this was a pullback. So I was like, okay, let me just enter after this candlestick. As you have seen here, we have entered here, so meaning that I have entered early. So price, I thought price here grab liquidity here above that higher. I thought that was a break of that was a liquidity grab. Then later on, price has consolidated after, let me say, for few hours. Let me say it was around it was consolidating for 3 hours. So I'm meaning that I was in this trade for 3 hours consolidating, and then it took me out around 14:30. At 14:30, that is when the price took me out of this sell on GBPJPY. Those are the only trade that I've taken. Those are the only trade that I've taken on the 6th of February. So it was a loss. It was like it was I think it was 3 losses and 1 win. Okay, guys, to be honest, guys, I'm in a big drawdown, guys. I'm in a big drawdown. And I don't know why. Maybe I overtraded, or I don't know, man. Oh, I've taken a lot of trades that I was not supposed to trade. To take. And I also taken trades on GBPJPY. I don't usually trade GBPJPY, guys. I don't. But I don't know what drove me into placing trades on this pair. I don't usually trade GBPJPY. Then all of a sudden I just started trading this pair. I don't know why. And I did not follow my trading plan as I usually do on my challenges that I'm taking. I'm currently trading challenges, guys. But I usually follow my trading plan. But on this occasion, guys, on this challenge that I'm doing, I don't follow my trading plan. I didn't follow my trading plan, guys. You can clearly see all this trade. You can clearly see the result that I'll be showing you later on, guys. I've taken a lot of losses, just a lot of stupid trades that I was not supposed to take. So, guys, let me just show you quickly. 3 losses and 1 win. So the profit that I took on the partials that I took on gold. So now, okay, let's go to the 7th of February. On the 7th of February, I also took a sell on GBPJPY. As you can see here, this was a sell that I took on GBPJPY. So it was just a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio that I have risked. So as you can see here, so I took profit when price was here. That is where I took profit. So I should have held this trade until to the full TP around this area here, but then I couldn't hold the trade. So as you have seen here, so that was the trade that I have taken. So the right way of this trade was like, okay, I have got a break of structure. This was a full break of structure, and then now what do we do next? We wait and draw our demand zone. This is our demand zone that we should have drawn here, and it's where we were supposed to buy this trade. It's where we were supposed to buy, not sell, because this was a pullback. So we were trying to buy to sell in a pullback. So normally I usually do this. I usually trade against the trend, but in this case it was on other pairs. It was on Euro USD and it was on gold. That is where I normally trade against the trend, not on GBPJPY. So it was against my trend. It was against my plan to trade on GBPJPY. So that is the trade that I have taken on GBPJPY on the 7th. So now let's go to the gold trade that I have taken on the 7th. Liquidity, now we broke this low to grab liquidity below that area, and then that is where I've entered a buy. So it was just a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. So I took profit here. So now if you go on M15, on M5, if you go on M5, it was a break of structure to the upside. So it confirmed that, okay, the bulls were in the market, as you can see here. That was a break of structure to the upside. So now I was like, okay, I was waiting now. So after break of structure to the upside, it was a pullback. This was an inducement. It was not a full pullback. It was a inducement. So it's where now I was like, okay, it broke structure to the upside on the other side, and that is where I ended a buy. Immediately the price took me out because price did not grab liquidity. This was inducement. It was not a full pullback. Price dropped lower and took me out of the market, and then after seeing this rejection around this area, that is where I ended another buy. So this is the buy that we got. We got a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. It was a second set. It was a second buy. It was a second winning trade that I took on gold, guys. This was a winning trade that I took on gold. So now let's go to the Euro USD. If I've taken any trade on Euro USD on the 7th, okay, on the 7th, yeah, on the 7th we did not take any trade on Euro USD. We only taken a trade on GBPJPY, which was a wrong trade, and on gold, which was two winning trades and one loss. So and one loss and the one loss on GBPJPY. Those are the only trades that I've taken on there on this account, on this challenge that I'm doing. So I've taken Monday I've taken 3 trades, and then on Tuesday I've taken 2 trades on GBPJPY and 3 trades on gold. So guys, those are the trades that I've taken so far in these challenges. So
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have the world in our sight, and I know together we'll be alright. Can you see forever we will go?
guys, as I've shown you how my account is doing, how my challenge is doing. So guys, this is just to be transparent, to show you the reality of forex trading, what you will go through, this one is a live account, guys. It's not a demo, it's a live account. So this is just to show you how we are doing, how we are trading. This is just to show you how transparent I am So, because as you have seen, many of the people, they are not transparent as we are. Many of these guys, they are not transparent. They don't show you the reality of forex trading. So as for me, I'm just trying to show you the reality of forex trading, what we go through as forex traders. So yeah, as you can see, as you've seen, I'm down. I'm in a big drawdown, as you can see. And now, for you to see our next update, turn on the bell notification, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you will be notified when I post a new update about these challenges that I'm doing. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye.